As a college student, you are a busy person. You have important, pressing, and time-sensitive academic responsibilities. You also have important, pressing, and time-sensitive responsibilities related to your extracurricular activities, to your job, to your internship, to your research, to your clubs and organizations, to your family, to your social life, and to your other obligations. By practicing the strategies described in the videos on this playlist, you will be able to balance your academic responsibilities with your other responsibilities as you effectively manage your time and remain productive. As you work to manage your time and remain productive, by recognizing time robbers, by creating a prioritized daily task list every day, by utilizing time blocking, by making efficient use of your time, by employing laser thinking, by eliminating cell phone distractions, by managing your email, by minimizing interruptions, by controlling procrastination, and by pursuing the 3 keys to effective time management. You should always remember what German writer and statesman Johann Wolfgang von Goethe said, quote, "Things which matter most should never be at the mercy of things which matter least," unquote.